Ooh, dang, it's empty up in here today. It's funny how a little chilly weather keeps everyone out of the gym, right? It made me start thinking like, ooh, that's everybody's kryptonite, I guess. Normally there's like 3 or 4 people up in here, and then as I'm getting ready to leave, another 2 or 3 people come walking in. But not this morning. Not this morning. It's 5 o'clock and people are like, no, it's cold outside. I'd rather stay in my comfy blanket, on my comfy bed. Man, that's everybody's kryptonite, I guess, out here. I gotta take an audit, see what my kryptonite is, cause I got my moments for sure. But you got to be able to combat those moments with something, because you have to care about your health, right? I mean, by saying that I can't go to the gym because it's cold outside is saying the cold weather and being warm is more important than working out today, right? And you see me, I'm layered, got the jacket on. I knew it was gonna be a little chilly. And I thought to myself, man, maybe I'll work out every other day from now on. But then I thought to myself, no, my health relies on me becoming stronger, continuing to work out. Yes, that cardio this morning was brisk. It burned the lungs a little bit. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's gonna feel great. Give me more energy, right? Hopefully look great when I see myself in the mirror. I mean, it's early, so no, this ain't been done. But I'm not in a beauty contest. I'm trying to outlive, my previous self, right? I'm a 1%er, man. I gotta be 1% better than I was yesterday, than I was, hopefully I'm 365% better than I was last year this time. As my boy would say, Jeremy, he said, I was an older model, so now I'm a newer model, and hopefully the newer model has a couple upgrades, right? Shout out to Jeremy Davis, my man. Dude always giving me them hints of wisdom there. That's actually tweetable, so bro, I love you, dog. I'm probably gonna put that on my Instagram today. All right. But yeah, what are you doing to make yourself better? And even more so, what's the kryptonite in your life that tries to hold you back, tries to pull you back? Is it cold weather? Keeps you from putting in the work that you know good and well you need to put in, right? Is it your kids? Oh, I'm too busy. I can't continue to write that book that I know I'm called to write, to impact those people that I know I'm called to impact, right? I mean, seriously, is it time? Because time is huge. Time is huge. I talked about that a couple of days ago, and I'm seeing it every day as my kids continue to just get older and older and bigger. They developed opinions. I mean, I'm still trying to figure that side of it out, because spoiled a rod, you spoiled a child. So we're working on that one. But what's your kryptonite? Do a self-audit. Figure out what your kryptonite is, because only when you know what's holding you back, only when you know what has the power to keep you down, are you able to game plan, right? Put your defenses in place so when that thing happens, it doesn't hold you back or keep you down. I'm gonna get to this workout. Y'all have a great day. Make it a great day. All right.